Fabsome Besties sent us a totally awesome gift. Poochie Petite Collections Have a Bite by Re-Ment. I guess the word is out that I like miniatures. This is a complete box. It is sealed. 10 packs total out of 10 sets, plus 2 color variations. 1 set in each box. Open your surprise. At the bottom, we can see all of the different ones that are available. What's that small print at the bottom? Contents may vary from shown photograph. This box may not contain the complete set, but it's sealed. How does it not have a complete set? But this is a gift, so I am totally thankful to just have it. Anything we get will be awesome, as long as there's no doubles. Just joking! Thank you! Let's carefully open it up and have a look inside. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. Collect, share, trade. Let's start with our first box. Wow, they're really in there. Okay, there we go. In the top corner, it says, "This is not a toy." Warning, this is not food. Do not place in your mouth. Keep these small pieces away from children, as choking is one of the leading causes of unintentional injury and related death among infants. Whoa, this is pretty heavy stuff. Some of the pieces may be sharp, as they have been made to replicate real everyday items. With that being said, on the other side, it says, "New from Japan." Discover Poochie Petites, the delightful collectible art form that has captivated Japan. Collect them for yourself or give as gifts. Everyone will treasure these hand-painted realistic miniatures. The possibilities are endless, and you will never know what you're going to get. Ooh, I like surprises! Let's open our first box and see what's inside. It looks like the very first one listed on the box. Whoa, is there a pattern? Do these go in order? Because that would be cool. Wow, there is a lot of stuff in just one pack. I think these are crepes. The box is in Japanese, so I could be wrong. We have 3 that look like crepes and 3 that look like some type of puff pastry. 3 stands with stickers that go on front. Place the crepes on the stands. That's a fun display. There's a small box that we can assemble to make a box for the puff pastries. There is a small insert with a message inside and a picture of the puff pastry on the back. This looks like a collector's guide. We can unfold it. Tells you what the contents are. And it's in English. So this one's called the Creamy Pastry Set. And yes, those are crepes. And the other ones are custard cream puffs. I was so on it. Let's test out our pattern theory. The next box is either going to be number 2 or number 6. If we are following the order of the pictures, I think it's going to be number 2, which is called A Little Fancy. Here goes nothing. We are about to test out our theory. And this is not the one I thought it was going to be. This is number 5, Sweet Moment. We have 2 waffles. One looks like it's been bitten. A cup of gelato with little tiny spoons. It looks like we can fit a spoon right here on the side. We can! 2 over-the-top ice cream cones with stands, so we can display them and add the little scoop. I really like that these come with stands. According to the collector's guide, these are inspired by different vendors from a street fair. So we have some international cuisine here, because gelato is from Italy and crepes are from France. Check and check. Maybe that's the pattern. Let's see if 9 is next. This is the 3rd box from the front, and we have... This is number 9, called Must Have These. Here are sweet bean pastries. There are 3, and it looks like someone took a bite out of this one. Baked sweet potato, and I believe this is a little bag for it. Oh, our sweet bean pastries has a box. Let's just put that together right quick. I really like all of this little packaging. Here's a little paper tray for deep fried octopus balls. Yep, that's right, check. I'm guessing this is next. This can't be a coincidence. Then again, maybe it is, because this is number 6. Dreamy Asian Sweets. 3 egg tarts, and it looks like it actually has a wrapper. Wow. Mango pudding with a lid and a spoon. Tapioca milk tea. They come with lids and straws. What? And there's a little box for the egg tarts. I love how you can see the little bobas at the bottom. Check. If there is a pattern, I'm not seeing it. This is the last one in that row. And it is number 10, Famous Treats of Japan. Fruit on sticks. That's literally what it's called, right to the point. And there's a little stand. Character-shaped sweets. This one looks like a little bird. Can you see that? Flavored rice cakes, and it comes with a little container. Oops, they're all falling out. All right, go back in there. There you go. And there's a little paper bag. We have just hit the halfway point. First box of the second row. I'm just gonna guess and say that this is number 3. Do my surprise box powers actually work? And I don't know what that is. Gotta see the card. Where is it? Oh, there it is. This is number 7. So no, my powers do not work. This one is called Taste of Turkish. Here is a little kebab. It has a little sleeve. And look, you can see all kinds of stuff in there. The tomatoes. Wow. This looks like fries and something. I'm not quite sure what it is. Ice cream. I love it when they do this. When little things are suspended in the air. Ah, those are so cool. A bottle of hot chili sauce and a can of coconut juice with a straw. Oops. Fail. And a can of coconut juice with a straw. This brings back memories. I lived in Turkey for a while, and one of my favorite things was this cheese bread that they served with jelly. Yum. Turkey, check. We have 4 left. I'm not even gonna bother to guess this time. Let's just be surprised with whatever we get. This is number 2. I was looking forward to this one because I love the little scones. This one is called A Little Fancy. There are some really cool pieces here. A cup of coffee with a sleeve. Look at these details. It's corrugated on the inside. And there's a little stir, just like the kind you get at Starbucks. There's a little bagel sandwich. That's cool. If I can just get this to stay on top. There we go. Look at all the texture on that bagel, and it looks like it's been lightly toasted. That's so cool. There's a cookie, and my favorite, the scone. That is so perfect. It also has a little bag to carry everything in. Check. Looks like we only have 3 left. So I'm thinking my chances are pretty good for guessing. So I'm gonna guess that this is number 4. Take a bite. It's the one with the hamburger. And it is not. This is definitely number 8, called Ni Hao. This set includes chestnuts. There are 6 total. Sesame dumplings with a little plastic container. Almond jelly with a clear spoon. And 3 steamed buns. And they all have little wrappers. Second to last one, this is number 4, the hamburger. I can feel it. And it's the ice cream. Wow, I am really bad at this. This is called Flavors You've Never Tried. Definitely getting some Baskin-Robbins vibes here. These are ice cream sandwiches. One has a chocolate cookie, and the other one looks like maybe vanilla. And I think there might be some strawberry on the ice cream there. Frozen yogurt with a spoon. 2 stands for these giant ice cream cones. One is a chocolate vanilla swirl, and the other has 3 flavors. Do you see right there? The ice cream is dripping down. I love those kind of details. Down to the last box. If this isn't number 4, I am gonna scream. It better be number 4. And it is number 4. Yay. Take a bite. It has melon soda with a lid. Let's see if we can place that lid right on top. And a straw. There we go. Little tiny straw. That's a fail. Oh no, we did it. We got it. A hamburger where we can remove the top bun. Apple pie, and someone has taken a bite out of it. Wow, that looks just like apple pie. Last but not least, we have fries with onion rings. Wow, we ended up with so much food. And I just noticed that this ice cream sandwich has a bite taken out of it while still being in the wrapper. Yo, someone is wrong for that. This is an older collection, so it may be difficult to find. However, I did find one on eBay for $37. And for what you get, I think it's totally worth it. 4 ice cream stands and ice creams, breakfast, lunch, and a quick dinner. All of these look perfectly sized for the 1/6 scale, so our collectible figures can take a bite. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Have a Bite by Re-Ment. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.